Okay, we have two solar systems here next to each other, two modules that are basically the same size. One's using the Merlin technology and the other's using standard 3 bus bar. These are both for transportation applications, so the modules are flexible and they're tied into charge controllers. And we can see that the two charge controllers are working side by side here. We have the Merlin charge controller here on the right and the other charge controller here on the left. The other charge controller is currently putting out 0.7 amps at 13.6 volts to the battery, which we can see if we pull the camera over here. Hopefully you can see that. And if we pan over and look at the Merlin system, we have basically 1.2 amps going in at 14 volts. You can see that we have loads connected here, which are these LED lights that are drawing about 0.67 amps. So in the case of the other system, we've got 0.7 amps going in, which is barely enough to keep that load going. Whereas with the Merlin system, we've got 1.2 amps, which is more than enough not only to keep the load going, but also to have an absorption charge going into the battery currently. We also see the two disconnect systems that we have next to each other. The one on the left being the standard disconnect system, and the one on the right being the Merlin system, which has an integrated breaker built into it instead of the fuses, which are in the other system that require replacement.